can see here, and the carpet is absolutely full of hair. I must admit, I vacuum this carpet once a week as a minimum. This wasn't vacuumed a week ago, well, about 3-4 days I would say. But obviously we have the yellow lab, and you can see it's absolutely full of hair at the moment. Belong to the truth that she is shedding as well. So you will see that is gonna be collected very, very well. The vacuum is absolutely fantastic. Here you go. That the whole carpet like it would be new. That's absolutely stunning, and it took me what, 3 minutes. And you can see, well, you hardly can see anything. Just like the carpet would have been cleaned. It's absolutely stunning. I'm very, very, very happy with the Dyson V8. So since we have the V8, we haven't really used the big Dyson because it was just no need for it. So I'm using just the cordless one, the V8. Absolutely stunning. I'm absolutely happy with it, so I highly can just recommend to anybody. And I will show you how much, just from this room, how much hair the Hoover got out. Is really, really unbelievable. Right, so here we go. Yeah, so that much dirt it collected. if I open this here, you know how to open up the Hoover or the Dyson. Look, that much. And obviously you wanna wait till you close it, because it's gonna have so much more dirt coming into it. And I usually actually open up one more times and then close it again, and you can see it's still coming. So there it is, you have it. Just from the small room, that much in 3 minutes. Fantastic result. Now I have some dirt on the side. Oh, look at that. So obviously I will have to collect this as well. I will show you how we're gonna get rid of this. And this time I will take off the long tube and just add you the little one. And here we go. Then that's the fantastic in it. You can make any mess. That's why I love it, because you can make so much mess and you can clean it in seconds. So never better. Highly recommended. See you soon.